Hi everyone, Megan here from Modern Genealogy, and today I'm going to show you fan charts on FamilySearch. Alright, so here I am in FamilySearch on my family tree, and you'll see that I have it set to the fan chart. You can change that. Quite often it's set at landscape when you first open it up. You just click on this little menu on the left there, and you can do portrait or descendancy, or you can do fan chart. And I love the fan chart because there are multiple views that you can do, and I'm going to show you those. So this first one is family lines. You can see that each family line has a separate color. Just helps you to see. If you want to do more generations, you can see further out, and it's just easy to view that. You can use the plus and minus here to make it closer or farther away. The next setting that you can do is birth country. Now this one makes it so you can see where all these ancestors were born, provided that you have that information there. You can see that some of these are white. That means it's unknown, or you might find that the birthplace is just, that one's not written in there. So that can show you. It has a little guide over here on the right, where you can just get a bird's eye view of all the places that your ancestors were born in. The next one is sources. So this one can give you some ideas of what ancestors might need some more research to be done. The darker orange are the ones that have 10 plus sources attached to that person in their profile. The lighter oranges are less and less until white has 0 sources. So this is a great way to see easily what people in your tree need some more work done. The next setting that you can do is stories. You can see that a lot of these people in the tree, this is my grandpa's fan chart, but a lot of his ancestors do not have stories. See, there's a very faintly orange there that has either 1 to 4 stories. Now stories aren't the same as memories. Stories, they have to be written in FamilySearch, either copied and pasted in there. Memories are attached or uploaded into FamilySearch. So people could have stories still in there. It would be a PDF or an image of a document, but these have a story. So that's also helpful to see. Maybe you have a story in there, you can learn something about your ancestors. The next one is photos. So these are the same kind of thing. The darker the orange, the more photos they have. You can see even some back here have a photo or two. So that can be interesting to browse through your tree and see which of your ancestors have photos attached. All right, the next setting that you can put on there is research helps. So there's 3 types of research helps. There's data problems, record hints, or research suggestions. So the first one is data problems. That can be if the ages don't line up, if they were too young to be married. For instance, one of these was that she was 12 when she was married, which, I mean, that is possible, obviously, but it's not likely. So they're just little red flags of issues that might be in there. There's also if the dates and locations are not in standardized form. When you enter a vital date into your ancestor's profile, it needs to be in the correct form, and you just use the drop-down menu to save that correctly. Same with the location. You have to choose one that's automatically comes up there, just so FamilySearch can better locate records for your ancestor. The next one is record hints. Now those are records that are in FamilySearch that they think are likely for your ancestor. Now you always want to make sure you look through those and use some analysis tools to decide if they actually are for your ancestor. But this can give you some ideas of where to start researching, because there might already be some records that can be attached to them in their profile. The third research help is research suggestions. So this can be if maybe there's a large gap between children that they had. So a research suggestion could be this couple could have had more children, or different things like that. Let's just take a look at this one and see if we can see what those research helps are, just to give you a few ideas. So this has the person may have another spouse. Not sure why they think that. Says there's no evidence of another marriage, but this person lived long enough after this last spouse passed away to marry again. Okay, so just some little clues that you might want to look into just to make sure. So it's the same thing. The last child was born 3 or more years before the mother turned 40. Okay, so it's possible for them to have had another child before they weren't able to. So those are the research helps that you can see in the fan chart. Great tool to find good candidates to research. The last one is Ordinances. Now this is just available for those who have a Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints membership on FamilySearch, but this is a great tool to see some ancestors that might need some temple work done, or just need some more information so that then they can get their temple work done. The green are ones that are ready to go, that have an ordinance that can be done. Orange needs more information. Maybe they need a location to go along with the date that they have for their birth or another event. In progress are ones that are being worked on right now. So that just gives an idea of where some work needs to be done. So I really love the fan chart. I hope you try it out and let me know how it goes for you. So I hope that helps you out and helps you to find some more ancestors to research and learn about. If you want to follow along, subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on Instagram at Modern Genealogy. Happy searching.